how to help children love reading, coming to you next. Well, if I'm just meeting you, my name is Brianna, and I want to welcome you to the Brown Bear Book Club, where we are all about empowering you with resources for young children. So if you enjoy content like this, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. So the first way of helping children love reading is inviting them into the process. So when you get ready to take your books off your bookshelf or out your book basket and you're swapping them out, maybe because a unit has ended or maybe the children have lost interest, invite children in your home or in your classroom to help you take the books out and put the new books on. Even if you're a teacher, take the children with you to, if there's like a storage room that's safe where all the books are, or if there's a school library, allow them to come in and choose the book that they like. If you are a parent, take children with you to the bookstore and allow them to choose the book that they want, or the library, or anywhere where books are. So tip number 2 is implementing interactive story times. So having puppets and movement while you're reading will always engage young children. So here are some puppets I have here. I'll make sure that I link these tools below. But you also want to choose stories that have a little interactive or make it interactive. One of the reasons why I wrote The Little Bird Who Wanted to Fly, look, there's so many opportunities for children to wiggle, for them to flap, for them to leap, for them to move. Because naturally, children want to move. And as they get older, they'll begin to sit longer in story time. But interactive story times are always amazing. And last but not least, have a book party, but not any old book party. Have stories that the children have written or drawn, like having a draw and write journal where children have drawn pictures and maybe you've written their words, or if they're writing their words, families can read that together, or you can invite grandparents into your home or your classroom, and you can include all the books that children love at the party. And of course, you're gonna have food and snacks and all the things, because everybody loves a party with foods and snacks. And so just make it a fun night full of literacy and celebration and all the things that the children love. You can even have a little rewards chart that leads up to the book party. So every time you guys read a book, maybe you have a helper come up and check it off or put a sticker, however fun you want to do it. But let me know right now in the chat below, what strategy are you going to use in your home or in your classroom with young children? And if you enjoy getting resources like this, early childhood tools, tips, all the things, go ahead and sign up freely to the Brown Bear Book Club. I'll make sure I link that below. Otherwise, let's finish this conversation in the comments. Bye guys.